We were asked to become a Rajant partner by our customer, and we reached out to several other partners across the country, and they spoke very highly of Rajant.
It doesn't matter if you're the smallest guy to the biggest guy, they give you support throughout. It's the relationship that they're building with their people.
When we start working with Rajant, it was part of the long thinking of the ecosystem. It's how you can integrate different components to make better solutions. One of the things that I'm seeing is how all those different solutions can empower one another. That's the vision that I think Rajant is focused on. Connectivity, mesh, and working together, and then we're happy to be part of this ecosystem, this family.
The best part about Rajant that I found, and having worked extensively in the wireless market for the last 28 years, their stuff did what it said they were going to do. And so when you have product like that, it just made it so much easier to be a partner with them.
One of the key factors and benefits for our relationship with Rajant is the support with a distributor. You know, if you've got a really good distributor and you can forecast stock and you can work with the distributor to get you the products on time, then it's repeat business. The guys are coming back and back because they know that you've got the stock and that you can provide the solution when they need it.
I really appreciate the relationship with Rajant. They're very easy to contact and they're always there if I need anything. They have a different culture in Rajant.
They'll be there from the first meeting to the deployment, the commissioning, and then they'll also follow up with the customer a few years down the road. But also the equipment is just so bulletproof. It just works.
Every project that I'm bringing to the table is being accepted with a lot of respect. There's a lot of smart people at Rajant that knows how to build the network. So I'm bringing the problems, the challenges, and they know how to solve those. We tested out in very harsh locations and very difficult project and succeeded.
Our customer, they're always asking us, well, what's the guarantee? How is it going to work? Is it going to work? What's your experience? And we can always tell them very confidently that it will work. If anyone were to call me about our experience with Rajant, I would speak very highly, not only of the product, but engineering, sales support. It's a true partnership.